Welcome, this is Uju Studio. I am a game developer. In Uju Studio, I make videos and tutorials on game development, and I have planned to fulfill my channel with Flax Engine beginner tutorials. What kind of tutorials, if you ask? Okay, there are let's say basic usage, level designing, coding, and many kinds of tutorials that you will get in future. I have just started these tutorials of the Flax Game Engine on Uju Studio. So if you want to get Flax tutorials whenever I upload them, you can subscribe to my channel. This way you are getting the tutorials to learn Flax Game Engine, and you can subscribe to my channel to get them. To install Flax Engine, first let's make sure you have basic knowledge on computer, such as like very basic things like opening folders, opening files, logging in, logging out, or browsing, or things like that. And I assume you have basic computer knowledge, and after that I assume you have created a Flax account, which if you know how to use computer, then you will also know how to create a Flax Engine account. The Flax Engine account will be required to logging in into the launcher of the Flax Game Engine. Then I assume you have internet connection and you have a browser like Chrome or Opera GX, as I am using, as you can see. And lastly, I assume you have system requirements of DirectX 11 support on your graphics card and at least 4 GB of RAM to run Flax Game Engine. If these requirements are met, so it means you can continue to Flax Engine, Flax Engine installation. First of all, we will need to download the Flax Engine launcher. You cannot directly download or install the Flax Game Engine. You will first have to download the Flax Engine launcher from flaxengine.com. If you are too lazy to find a link, I don't know, it's too much of do easily, but on here you will search on your browser, let's say flaxengine.com, like this. Yes, and you will be introduced to something like this. These pictures may get changed, and you will have to now find the download button on here. In today, on this March 2023, its download button is on the top of the website, where you should click, and I should definitely see this thing. After that, if you are using Windows, it's easier than anything. Just you can see on here there is a download button. Just click on it if you are on Windows. But if you are using Linux, then click this download button on down of this text that is called Editor for Linux, and another is Editor for Mac. If you are using Mac, then click on here desktop devices. Then on here you can see, for my case, I will need to click on here to download the Flax Game Engine from this. Click on here, and I will be introduced to this window. Where do I want to download? Let's download it on here, Mr. Flax. If you want to name it any other thing, you can. The file will be downloaded on here. So when it is downloaded, on here you will first need to install the launcher, as I said, then install the game engine and the Flax Game Engine. Click on it to install, and you need to get administrative privileges over here. And you will also need to create an account during this installation. After installing it, you will have to log in. Request, you know how to. After the installation, you will have to log in into your Flax Engine, and after logging in, I have actually logged in right now, and if you log in, you can see this window. You will see this window, and the launcher is fully set it up for installation. You have the account, you have installed the launcher, you have logged in, and finally this window will pop up after logging in. To log in, click this desktop shortcut to First open the launcher, then on here you will be introduced to a login window where you can log in your account on your Flax Engine account on this launcher. Then there are 5 tabs right now on this 2023 version. On here you will need to find the engine tab on here. Click on the engine tab, and then we are going to be install the Flax Engine. Now there are some options on your Flax Engine installation options. You will need to select a version, the latest version. The latest version is, if you don't know, the toughest of this list, which is 1.5 for my case, but it's not showing 1.5 because you can see it's already installed. But in your case, it will not be the case. You will select the most latest version on this list, then select it. Then after that, let's say you want to develop your games for Windows, then you can select this option. And the editor is mandatory. You will always need this editor, whether these options are selected or not. And if you want to build games for Windows, then click this option. If you want to build games for Linux, click this option. And if you also want to make games for Android, you can click this option. For my case, I am not going to be making games for Android, not for Linux, but I am only going to install it for Windows. It's your option. And I don't have much idea on Windows Store. I haven't played Windows Store games. The installing for Windows Store is not much mandatory. Then click on install. Okay, after installing you can see this something like this. I have installed 1.5 version. It's actually the most all things you will need to do for installing the launcher and the engine. The engine is installed and the launcher is installed. So it's all for this. But if you want to know what is next, you can play around with these samples. Go to the Find This Projects tab on this left panel. And what you can do is there is a Get Samples project option. After clicking it, it will download some samples, which are this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there are 7 templates. This is not a template, this is my project that I am creating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 7 projects are the things that we'll get from Get Samples win button. And I'm also going to upload more tutorials on how to play around with the game engine, how to do level design, coding and programming and many other things. To play around with a sample, let's say physics. This one is the first one. Let's open this one. Click on open on this by moving your mouse on this what I'll call is options menu. After this, you can see you will have this window, and let me tell you quickly how to navigate around this windows. On this scenes window, right click on with your mouse and hold it, and now move the mouse, and you can see you can look around with this. And if you click W, you will move forward, B to move right, S to move back, and A to move left on your keyboard keys with the keyboard keys, and E will move up, Q will move down. These are the most important 6 keys on the keyboard to move around after clicking with your mouse with the right mouse button. Next, you can also learn tutorials. There are tutorials on my channel.
I hope this video helped you. If it was helpful, so please hit the like button. It really let me know if a video is perfect or not, and I can improve my tutorials and help you to learn better in the future. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials. You will learn many kinds of things from coding to level design and also marketing a bit. This will help you to learn game development and marketing. If you encounter any problems during this tutorial series or in this video, you can let me know on the comments, and be sure to check them out. If you encounter any problems, there might be an answer on the comments. And that's all. Subscribe if you like my tutorials and like the video if it helped you, and if you encounter any problems you can check out the comment section. So yeah, okay, thanks for watching. We will meet you on my next video. Goodbye.